We're a team, right? But would it kill us to add a little sophistication to our business? We need to find a new way to deal with the money.
Yo, girl, this stuff is dope. You sell it?
Hey, you must know a lot of rich people. How about you send them over my way?
What's this worth?
Customer of mine was short of cash. Gave me that instead.
Nate was mentioning you were having a cash problem.
Well, my business is no business of yours.
Well, not right now, but I think we might be able to help each other out. So from now on, there's a contract out. I suggest they buy art from this classy art gallery run by this young lady who will take a reasonable cut for herself and cut us a nice, clean check.
Where's the piece?
Is that necessary?
Yes, it's necessary. I need something to sell.
I will call my guy, have him grab his brushes, and whip something up.
What am I supposed to paint?
You want to make money? Just paint something.
All right, I'll paint.
Damn, that is ugly.
Well, he has an aesthetic.
My 5-year-old makes better paintings.
That's the beauty of this, you cretin. This ugly-ass thing right here that looks like a Smurf with diarrhea can sell for $1 million, and the IRS wouldn't bat an eye.
The bag man.
The bag man?
Tell me about the bag man.
An art critic. Wants to do a piece on.
Oh, la-di-da.
When I hear no, it makes me want something even more.
This thing's supposed to be a front. That means low profile. Why do I even have to tell you this is not good?
I knew that money laundering was a crime, but murder?
I'm sorry, we don't have any work from the Batman available.
There's an extremely long wait list of collectors.
Everybody wants one. I would never say it's a good piece, but it makes me feel
Dirty. Oh.